Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to show measurement. So as example, I will create a rectangle and use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to show the measurements, first we need to create by using the dimension tools. You can click this icon, dimension, and I will select at this edge to create the measurement or dimension in this object. And if you want to show and head, we need to create for new text. You can click at this text tools, click plus icon to add new. I will set the names into dimension and you can select this all dimension. Don't forget to press shift button, hold to select multiple, and then you can set for text into dimension. Now you can click this icon to show and hide the dimension. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial, how to show measurements. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.